Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the device and app you want to change. Make sure the app is closed so settings apply cleanly. On Android or iOS, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility or Display. On Mac OS or Windows, open System Preferences or Settings and choose Display or Ease of Access. Once there, look for font size, text size, or scale options. You're initiating the change now, so the next slide walks through exact controls and live previews. Now you'll make the adjustment. Use the slider, +/- buttons, or a scale percentage to increase or decrease font size. Move in small steps so text remains readable. If the setting shows a live preview, confirm readability in headings and buttons. If not, close and reopen the app to check. For apps with their own text settings, open the app's preferences and match the system choice. Make sure to balance size with layout so content doesn't truncate or overflow. Finish by applying or saving the change and testing common screens in the app to confirm everything fits. If you adjusted system settings, verify other apps still display correctly. Once done, restart the app or the device if some elements didn't update. If text overlaps or buttons become inaccessible, revert to the previous setting and try a smaller increment or use display scaling instead of text size. A quick restart usually resolves stuck UI states. If not,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.